22 as far as the weather is concerned, as it's going to be predominantly dry with temperatures close to normal in the south, but rather cooler and more unsettled in the north. And that was certainly the case today as we had this slow-moving cold front over Scotland. To the north, it was really quite cold at Wick, temperatures just 5 degrees despite some late brightness. To the south of that front, in Southend and southeast England, the sunshine took temperatures up to around 18 degrees. So it was quite warm over southern parts of Britain during today, but as we go through the next couple of days, it's going to be quite cool over the whole country before it returns to being quite warm over the extreme south of the country. That cold front has been giving some rain through parts of Northern Ireland and southern and central Scotland during the last few hours. And that will continue through this evening in these areas with some brighter showery weather to the north. Further south, dry and bright over much of England and Wales with the best of the sunshine in the southeast, but still rather dull and cloudy in southern and western coasts with a little bit of light rain or drizzle from time to time, and that will continue through tonight. Remaining dry then over much of inland England and Wales, with that rain nudging a little bit further south as we go through the night into southern Scotland and perhaps the extreme north of England. But cool and clear in the far north of Scotland, where we will see a frost to the north of that front. Elsewhere, quite mild, temperatures around 5 to 8 degrees. Tomorrow we see that front returning over Scotland, so to start the day we see a fair amount of cloud over northern England, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, as well as the extreme west of Scotland. Here's some light rain and drizzle, and then in the afternoon a really wet period across Scotland with snow for the mountains. Further south we'll still see some drizzle through western Wales and along the southern and western coasts of England, but inland, although rather more cloudy than today, certainly we should see some brightness, particularly in the southeast where we'll see the best of the sunshine. Hence a cooler day across England and Wales, temperatures at best around 14 degrees in the southeast and winds generally light or moderate. On Wednesday, still rather unsettled in the north with outbreaks of rain from time to time, but dry and brighter in the south with once again the best of the sunshine likely in the southeast before we see rain here later on, but brightening up in the north later on.